Hey everyone, this is a yard I'm converting to an urban farm site. I just wanted to show you all what it looked like beforehand so you can join me on the progression through the process here. I've got some trees I need to take out. Ultimately my goal is to till this nice and deep, remove all the brush, all the debris, till it nice and deep, flatten it all out, incorporate some organic matter, and then I'm going to build raised beds on it. I don't want to use the existing soil. I'm not sure about contamination at this site, but I don't want to take any chances. These pine needles in the back corner here I'm going to spread out just across the whole backyard here. The whole thing is just under 1,000 square feet with that back garage subtracted. I've got to take these stumps here out. These are going to be pretty nasty. I'm actually going to have them come out and mark the utility lines just to be safe. But I'm going to use every possible inch of this for production, so I will need all the space I can get. Thanks for watching, and can't wait to show you what I do with this.